Well, the Remington 700, for years now, I've been asked what the gun was like. How much did it weigh? What all did you have on it? What kind of reticle did you have? Everybody's curious about the rifle. So I was working with Andrew Evans Hendrick from Riflecraft in the UK, and so together we started working with Remington of trying to duplicate that rifle, and with help from people like Mike Haugen and several other people, Trevor and some of these people with Remington, they got the ball rolling on it, and it literally took about 7 years to be able to reproduce this rifle, and they got it as close to being the exact replica as it can be. There's a couple little safety standards in the trigger and stuff that had to be changed because of federal regulations. But as far as the gun weighed 9 3/4 pounds when I carried it in Vietnam. This rifle weighs 9 3/4 pounds. So finally, after 7 years, the gun is being done. Now working with Leupold uh, Scope Company, they had bought out Redfield. So it took a little while working with them to get them to duplicate the green Redfield 3-9 scope that we carried on the rifle. Then we got with Badger Ordnance, Marty Bordson, and Marty makes mounts and different parts for guns. And so Marty, being a gun collector, and he has a huge sniper rifle collection. So Marty literally took one of the old mounts and redid it and made the old Redfield mount and produced them for these guns. So what we decided is we would take 103 rifles to represent each one to represent a confirmed kill. Purchase the rifles with the scopes, mounts, original web sling. The rifles will have my name engraved on them, and then it'll be 001 of 103 to 103 of 103. And so that's what we decided to do with the rifles. And the program is when the rifles come in, I put the mounts on them, I put the scopes on them, I take them out, I shoot first 8, 10, 12 rounds through them, and then if the gun's shooting sub-minute angle, which they've all shot, as you can see, very well, if the gun's shooting sub-minute angle, then it goes up for sale.